Are you a beginner? Do you want to improve your speaking? Are you confused what to do, what not to do? So this is the video for you. This is Neeraj Singh. Welcome to my channel English Forever. Without killing a time, so we choose our first topic, which is vocab. My dear friend, I'm not teaching you that you should improve lots of vocab and read all kind of vocab, learn all kind of vocab. That's waste of time. We have 100 to 150 common vocab. You should learn those vocab. That's it. And 90 to 80% vocab you know already, but you have to do practice with that vocab. I know you know the vocab and the meaning as well. What's the meaning of basic vocab? Basic vocab means, for example, play, come, go, do, have. This type of basic vocab you should know about this vocab, and that's it. It's really easy. You think that it's really easy to understand and find the meaning, or you know the meaning of these words. But my dear friend, when we speak English, we cannot use these words when you speak English. This is my first suggestion to you. I hope guys you understand that what I try to teach you in this video about vocab. Let's talk about our second topic, which is grammar. Grammar is also really complicated topic. We don't know what to do, what not to do with grammar. That's why we don't improve our English. When we talk about speaking, we need basic grammar. What's the meaning of basic grammar? Basic grammar means you should know about simple present tense, continuous tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense. That's it. Now we talk about past simple, past continuous, past perfect, and simple future. That's it. This is the basic grammar. You should improve every week. Don't try to learn every day, because you can understand when you read every day, when you learn every day with the help of teacher, with the help of internet. But my dear friend, you cannot use these grammars. We can say you cannot use these grammar rules in your speaking. So learn once in a week any one grammar rule, or continue use that rule which you learn just today or yesterday, whatever. So this is the basic grammar. Many students have problem that sir, we should learn active voice, passive voice, we should learn narration, we should learn preposition, we should learn conjunction. My dear friend, everything is very important when you go in advanced level, but in your initial level you should learn basic. You should know what is noun, what is pronoun, what is verb, what is adjective, what is proverb. So all these things important, but not in a deep way. Just you should know that what's the meaning of noun. I hope you know what is the meaning of noun, and you should know a couple of examples related to that noun and important noun which we use when we speak English. This is the basic information about grammar. You should learn grammar, but slow. Don't try to learn fast, because grammar is really important, just like vocab. So this is my advice for grammar. Let me finish my lecture with my last advice, and my last advice is do mistake. Speak and do mistake. My dear friend, you are a beginner. When we learn anything, we do mistake. So don't think about mistake. Speak and do mistake. Don't think too much about your mistake. This is my suggestion on this topic. What's our first topic? Our first topic is vocab, basic vocab. Our second topic is grammar, basic grammar. Our third topic is do mistake. These are my couple of suggestions to you guys. I hope you follow this suggestion and improve your speaking English. That's it guys. This is what I try to teach you in this video. If you found valuable this video, please like this video, share with your friends, subscribe this channel if you haven't subscribed yet. If you have any question related to this topic, do let me know in the comment box below. Till then, bye bye. God bless you.